FBD Business Insurance Ireland app. The pros, the cons. The FBD Business Insurance Ireland app is built to simplify insurance management for business owners. Many assume it's just reviewing policies, but it actually allows claim submission, premium tracking, and real-time notifications about coverage. On the pros side, the app gives access to all policy documents, including liability, property, and professional coverage. Claims can be submitted quickly using photos, invoices, and receipts directly from your phone. Premium management is clear, with reminders and a complete payment history. Push notifications ensure you stay informed about claim progress, policy updates, and renewal dates. Multi-policy management is supported, making it ideal for businesses with multiple coverage plans. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when accessing older claims or large files. Advanced analytics and risk assessment tools are not included, which could be helpful for business owners seeking deeper insights into coverage and cost optimization. In conclusion, the FBD Business Insurance Ireland app is a practical and user-friendly tool for business owners. While it doesn't offer advanced analytics, it excels at claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring, giving business owners convenience, clarity, and confidence in their coverage.